Hello YouTube, it's the weekly what's new this week. What's new? Same shit. It's been basically outside the skating rink, the driveway here. Took me 20 minutes to shovel my way in here, and it's just too damn cold. Waiting for my vise to show up somewhere in USPS's mail, which is pretty stupid. The dude mails me the vise. The U.S. Post Office loses it, and then I have to put in a mail search request in case they do find the box, so that they know where to send it. Does that make any sense? I put a request so that they send it to me. I'm like, I told the lady on the phone, I said, do you realize that we paid money to have it sent to me the first time? Now I got to request it. I said, what happens if I don't put a search request? Are they going to throw it in the garbage? Obviously, it has a freaking address on it. They were like, well, you got to put a mail. I'm like, well, fuck, it's supposed to go to me anyway. So anyway, that's a thing. Got a couple of things in the mail. I haven't done much because I'm waiting for a freaking vise. So the person I bought the vise off is going to try to send me another one. And we'll see how that goes. I'm going to pay the shipping, and he's going to send the vise. And what a bin, yes. But I did get a couple of new little tools that I need. I got a couple of things that I'll show you. Other than that, it's just we had this. All the snow was kind of melting, everything melted, shit was going away, and then all of a sudden it like snowed and got really wet and icy. My driveway at my store has got about a 4-inch thick layer of ice on it. I put about 200 pounds of salt on it. Now it's got 40 million holes in the ice, and it's like minus 17 or minus 20 out, whatever. So it's been a little bit too cold. It's also been, I wiped out on the ice, so my back is killing me, my neck is sore, and everything is just sore. I literally just like walked across, flipped, fell right on my back. My head, thankfully I had a hat on because I fell back and my head hit the little like brim where you fold the hat up. That hit that. If not, I would have split my head open. And then I slid down the driveway. It was so icy I couldn't get up. I literally couldn't roll over because I kept sliding. So finally I rolled over. I crawled back on the ice really slow like this. I thought like somebody even noticed. You couldn't even walk. It was so slippery. It was like just a nice sheen on it. Finally hit a spot where I kind of stuck. Got up. And it was just like writhing in pain. Man, I didn't do anything for most of yesterday. I worked today, but man, my back, and thank goodness for ibuprofen. So that's pretty much what's new this week. Absolutely. I'm going to make a few videos here and add them to the queue of videos, and that's it really. There's not much going on because it's just too cold and my back's killing me. I did get a haircut, gave it to myself, so... My daughter's like, your hair's so fuzzy. You got fuzzy hair. I gotta put my youngest daughter on. She has this like little like 2-year-old lisp, and it's just fun. It's the cutest goddamn thing you ever heard. I will be making after I get out of here. I will be making a store tour for you folks that want to tour my store. If you want a tour of my garage, I'm just gonna put the camera here and put it on spin mode because there's not much to look at. It's 22 by 30. Not a very big garage. The biggest hunk of shit is my Austin Mini in the way and the mule. Spring comes, I'm going to try to organize it a little so I can put maybe the car in them. I don't know, whatever. But I'm going to try to take the mule out, get that running again. I like riding the mule. The car I don't want to sell. I'm going to basically jack the car up on blocks and work on it, get it running, and keep it. It needs a new interior. But anyway, enough of that shit. So, thanks for watching. If you ain't a subscriber to my channel, please subscribe. I have 355 subscribers, and thank every one of you for joining. It'd be nice to get to 500 soon, so if you're not one of the 355 subscribers already, please join. Getting to 500 would be awesome. Hold on, got a phone call.